All right, folks, here we go again with another beautiful, gorgeous 2019 Dodge Charger 5.7 HEMI rear wheel drive with 132,000 miles and only 1128 idle hours. That's right, 1,128 idle hours. This was a former Highway Patrol State Trooper slick top vehicle. Original black from factory. The vehicle does have very tiny little scratches. Vehicle does have 3 door dings on the hood, possibly from road hazard, and I will point those out as I make my way around the vehicle. Vehicle has been fully serviced, detailed, reconditioned, and is road ready to go, folks, and it is in immaculate running condition and shape. Let me stop right here, folks, before I start making my bloopers, my little mistakes. Vehicle has been completely blacked out. Vehicle does have fresh new window tint that is a medium shade all around. Let me tell you, folks, this vehicle does look very, very intimidating coming down the road. Once again, vehicle has been fully serviced and detailed. She doesn't need any repairs whatsoever. All you have to do is just gas up and go and take it to your local DMV so you can get it registered to your name. The vehicle does have 2 holes in the trunk lid. Those are going to be the actual antennas. So if you need to drive through an express car wash, those antennas are going to stay put. Rest assured, they're not going to fly out of the vehicle. This vehicle does have working factory rear backup sensors with a working backup camera. As you guys can see, the vehicle has been registered. It does have a current California plates and registration up to date. As you guys can see, the vehicle does have 2 mini LED police lights on the front, on the rear bumper. They're not up, they're just there for looks. I did not want to remove them, so what you see is what you're gonna get, folks. Nice little touch. People see that on the street, they don't know what to think. That also includes the cops out there. Let me back up. The vehicle does have a fresh new set of take-ups all around. Those are going to be the 245 5518s. When the vehicle first arrived, the tires were not acceptable, so I contacted my guy, and he does have he did have a nice set of fresh DOTs, so I went and got them. The tires are getting a little bit expensive, folks, but I'm still giving you quality work and parts. I'm not cutting corners. Okay, so once again, the vehicle does have a new set of take-ups, 245 5518s. Also, the steel wheels were reconditioned. They were not beat, but the vehicle did come with the full 5 spokes wheel covers. Usually what happens is when you remove those, the steel wheels are kind of white and peled, so I went ahead and had the wheels reconditioned. And as you guys can see, I also did the steel wheel dog dish conversion on this vehicle, folks. So the dog dishes are new use parts, and the lug nuts for these particular Dodge Chargers, they have to be OEM, and they are new, so they're about $260 on eBay. So yes, I did the whole conversion, and I wanted to go with this look instead, and I know a lot of guys out there do prefer this look. Okay, the vehicle does have 1 working LED spotlight. I do have a nice set of clear LEDs and lenses in the front of the vehicle. Everything does work. However, on the front bumper, you are gonna see some road hazard scuff marks. This is all road hazard right here. Once again, folks, this was a highway patrol vehicle. So yeah, I thought about reshooting the bumper, but instead of doing the bumper, I went ahead and went into the powertrain, and I put all the money in there instead, and I'm sure you will appreciate that. I can live with the scuff marks on the bumper. That's not gonna hurt me, but I can have mechanical issues, and that's exactly what I targeted, so that you, my customer, do not have any mechanical issues whatsoever. So yes, you are seeing this here with me, folks. Scuff marks on the front bumper. Okay. Aside from that, folks, the vehicle looks perfect. Let's continue. There you have it. Great looking car. Very, very intimidating looking vehicle. The paint looks great, folks. My detail crew did an amazing job bringing the black back to life. For those of you guys out there in the market doing the same thing I do, black is difficult to clean up, and $400 later, these are the finished results. All right, folks, let's go inside of the vehicle. The interior is complete. Everything does matches, and the interior, it is just in about mint condition. So whoever was assigned to this vehicle, they did a great job taking care of it. So the vehicle does have a matching rear seat. All seat belts and buckles are in place. It does have carpeted floors. It does have carpet floors with matching floor mats that came with the vehicle. Once again, my detail crew did a very good job cleaning everything up. Just so you know, folks, on the rear doors, I did have the rear doors reassembled with the door lock kit, switches, and rods. When I first got the car in, that feature is deleted, so there's nothing here. So you can't get out of the vehicle if you're sitting in the back seat. The door lock kit for these Chargers, they're $300 on eBay and $200 to install it. It takes about maybe 2-3 hours to do it because everything has to come off. So yes, folks, the rear doors are fully functional from inside and out of the vehicle. All 4 door panels are in nice mint condition. Driver's side seat, nice and comfortable. As you guys can see, I did install the new use OEM center console on this vehicle, along with a new OEM wire harness in order for everything to work in that console. That includes the cigarette lighter, auxiliary, and USB ports. Passenger side seat appears to be in new condition. I don't think nobody ever sat there. Honk does work. One key on the center console, as you guys can see, but the vehicle originally did come with like 6-7 keys. You are taking everything with you, but I don't want to carry a bunch of keys, so I'm only driving around with 1. But yes, the vehicle does have extra keys. Don't worry, you don't have to make any extras. Okay, let's go inside. Let's fire her up. Very nice looking unit, folks. Is it clear? Yeah, I think it is. All right, let's continue because I know I'm gonna run out of time. Super smooth startup, no funny noises, no funny smells, no funny clunks. All right, all pressure lights are up. Let me clean this up here for you guys. I'm sorry, I got off track there. I'm too excited with this vehicle. Can you guys see that clearly? The vehicle does have 132,000 miles, 1128 idle hours, 3934 lifetime. What you see is what you're gonna get, folks. Stereo does work.
Changing your mind when your spouse makes a good point. In other words, maybe you're discussing something, or maybe even full on arguing.
The stereo does work. Everything is touchscreen here, including the climate control. When you switch through the buttons, you can control just about everything here from the vehicle. All right, from the steering wheel. Super cold air conditioner, folks. Red LED, white LED, folks.
You're right. Make up your mind to go, you know what? I'm going to change my mind.
Spotlight does work. Let's go to the trunk. Am I forgetting anything? I hope not. If I do forget something, I will be sure to cover it in my eBay description. Sometimes I have to step it up and I will forget a little minor detail here and there. This is the trunk. The vehicle does have the aluminum slide out tray table that does come out. It does have a matching full spare tire. Floor jack is in the bottom, folks. What you see is what you are gonna get. Okay, everything does work. There you have it. And this is for the inlet for the gas tank. So if you want to put an additive, you can just put that in there and dump the additive in there. Or if you run out of gas, you need to use the little white neck. All right, let me clean this up here. Folks, I will continue. The vehicle does have brand new brakes and rotors all around by Mopar. You guys can, I'm not sure if you guys can see them, but picture will be taken. There you guys go. Brand new brakes and rotors all around on this vehicle by Mopar. All original equipment, folks. So I'm giving you the best, and yes, it's costing me a little bit of money, but I cannot cut any corners. I'm not gonna just let any car go just like that. Vehicle does have a new set of Sylvania Silver Star halogen bulbs. A little bit brighter driving down the street at night. Let's get into the engine bay here, folks. Very quiet. No funny noses, no funny clunks, no funny ticking, no nothing. Let me shut up here real quick so that you can listen. Alright folks, starting right to left, the vehicle does have a brand new air filter. Throttle body was service cleaned out, and I also did run a BG fuel system cleaner on this vehicle. The vehicle does have 16 new OEM irradiant spark plugs. Transmission was serviced, and I did go with ATF Plus 4 by Mopar, fluid and filter. Cabin filter is new. The battery was also replaced. I did put an interstate battery. I do buy those at Costco now. Buyer takes off. Brakes and rotors are all new by Mopar. Super cold air conditioner. I do have a brand new solenoid here sensor. This is a very common feature that fails on these vehicles, so I replaced them regardless. Save me the headache. All fluids were topped off, and here we go, folks. I ran out of time. If you have any questions, comments, please do not hesitate to give me a call. I'm here to help. Super fast.